Hi everyone, it's Ziv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. It's been a minute since I've made a YouTube video. I've been super busy, I'm sure, like all of you have, preparing for the holidays. And actually, I wanted to come on today to share with you this really cute stitch and story crochet kit and cross stitch kit that I picked up back in August, and it arrived in September from the UK. Of course, when you're on Instagram and you're browsing through all of these cute little stories, as you can imagine, the algorithm in Instagram picks up your likes. And so I had been watching a couple of Hello Kitty, cute little Hello Kitty Instagrams, and this popped up. So I wanted to treat myself this year and purchase a couple of holiday gifts for myself so I can work on a couple of winter activities or throughout the year. So I wanted to show you, I know they're having a sale this time of year. It's the holidays. Holidays are approaching, and I know they're having deep discounts. So I wanted to at least share with you what I picked up. So if you wanted to go over to their website and pick it up as well, then you can take advantage of their sales that they have during the holidays. This is not sponsored. This is just something that is really cute and I thought would be fun to share with you guys. And hopefully in 2022, I'll be working on a couple of cross-stitching projects and crocheting. So this is a crochet, a mini Pusheen and Hello Kitty donut ring. It's so cute. I know they did a collab, and so this is what the contents in the box looks like, and that is their Facebook and hashtag and Instagram if you want to follow them. And it comes with the whole kit and how to crochet. I've not ever crocheted before, but I have cross-stitched, so this is a fun thing to learn for 2022. So I also picked up these really cute cross-stitch kits. One is going for a crafty friend and one is staying here with me. So it is adorable. Absolutely adorable. The whole packaging is adorable as well. So this one comes with a little sleeve, and so this one in the kit, there's an embroidery hoop, then there's the fabric, the embroidery floss, the needle, and easy to follow instructions. So I will probably post on Instagram as I'm making them. So cute. Also, it came in this really cute tissue paper. Just one more row, just one more row. And they added a free stitch and story bag to keep my little projects in, or separate my projects. I thought that was really adorable. And the last two that I picked up that I wanted to create was the Hello Kitty adult hat. Isn't that the most adorable little hat you've ever seen? It's so cute. Easy level is 2. So according to the instructions, it's in, I guess, advanced beginner. So there's beginner, advanced beginner, intermediate, experienced, and expert. So this is the advanced beginner, and it comes in a really, really adorable box that I definitely will keep. And the kit, everything you need in the kit, there's wool, there's the bamboo needles, super easy. Let's see how super easy this is. Pattern and guide, and an online video tutorials. So definitely will be trying my hand at this one. And then lastly, this is a cute little bee crochet kit, Hello Kitty bee amigurumi kit also. So I hope to, and this is a little bit of an advanced level. So this is intermediate. And so I'm going to try my hand at that as well. And everything in the kit as well. And this is their story if you want to pause and take a look at their story. So this is a quick little share haul, Hello Kitty Stitch and Story haul. I hope you get to watch me on my journey. If you're not already on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Here is my hashtag. And I hope everyone has a wonderful, safe holiday and a happy and healthy new year if I don't see you again this year. Bye!